Welcome back to the channel. Today we're painting cabinets with a paintbrush, and we got this paint cup here filled with paint, and this is the cabinet. We'll paint the corners and then we'll get the rest with a roller. Get this camera set up. Alright. I like to dip my brush halfway in and then wipe the other side. That's one side with the paint and the other side without. And then I paint the corners. Get them really good. And then, like I said, we'll come back in with the roller. See, on this side I missed a lot on the inside top here. You can really only see it with the camera. I'll get it all. Get these corners really good. That's where the roller can't reach, and the brush gets in there no problem. Alright, let's switch sides. Getting the bottom here. Like I said, I put half on one side and half on the other. I just dip it, not about half, a little bit less, maybe about ½ inch to an inch. I dip it in. And I paint a section. Get this last top corner over here. Everything's starting to look good. This corner good. Top good. Need a little bit more paint. This is a small cabinet. Corners.